Hi, my name is Jean Paul Cuevas. What's your name?
Hi, I am Elizabeth Suarez. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I am from the Amazons. And you?
I'm from Ica. Are you from Lima?
No, I am not. I am from the Amazons. Are you from Ica?
Yes, I am. How old are you?
I am 30 years old. How old are you?
I'm 17 years old. Do you have a job?
Yes, I have a job. And you?
No, I don't have a job. But what do you do anyway?
I am administrative assistant.
Oh, how interesting. Well, it was nice meeting you. See you later.
See you later. Have a good day.